Good morning, everybody. Well, you'll never guess where I'm at. I'm in the Jeep, so no motorcycle today. Let's see if I can find it. We're here at the hobby shop. It's race day, so I didn't think they were going to have a race till like middle of the month and I was going to miss it, but since it's the beginning of the month I can get it before we head to Arkansas. So today is race day. I've got everything pretty much unloaded, just got to grab my cooler, and we're going to spend the day racing RC cars. Should be a good freaking time. The weather is beautiful. It's like going to be the high of 80 today, so should be absolutely perfect. There's people up there with sweatshirts and hoodies on, so it's a good start to the day. Anywho, this is my second time on the revised track. We'll see if I can do any good today. If not, at least I'll have a good time. I'll take you guys for a walk around the new track here in a little bit too. First, I gotta get everything set up. Track's pretty empty, so I can give you a walk around. Here's your start finish with a little ramp right here.
15-7.
Up. Got a corner. A little tabletop there. You can see him going over it now. Around the S's. Up the wall. Long straightaway. Down the back to the big jump there. And then one that you just roll over here. This one here you just kind of coast over. If you don't, it'll shift it. See how I just rolled over that? Otherwise it'd shoot him clear over here. Then a little ramp there, and then back to the start finish. Upside down.
14-9.
That's it. That's the local track. And that's the new layout. Alright, so I got my first practice in. I sucked, but thinking about just packing up and going home. You ever have one of those days where you're just not feeling it? Having one of those days, like, I don't want to do anything. And she's like, come home, we'll go for a ride and go eat lunch. And I'm like, I don't want to go do anything. I just want to like find a corner and chill. I don't have these days very often, but when I do, man, they're hard to get over. I think we all have those days though, right? You ever have one of those days where you're just like, screw it all. I don't want to do anything. Everybody leave me alone. I'm going to do my own thing. I'm having that today. So we'll see. I don't know whether I'll stay or whether I'll just pack up and go home. But either way. Real quick, I thought I should share. This is our view for dinner. We're at the Daiquiri Deck in Sarasota. Oh, you can see the Jeep over there. Anyway, we're headed to some kind of drum circle. I'll explain here in a little bit. All right. Remember me saying something about a drum circle? Here it is. We're at Siesta Key. Brian and Christina have some friends in from, I believe, New York, and so they're staying up here. So we came to meet them and go to the drum circle. There's the view, the ocean, and that's everybody lined up for the drum circle. Mama Badger has wanted to do this since we moved to Florida, so she finally gets to do it. Yay. Anyway, we're gonna watch the drum circle till, I guess, till sunset, and then it's an hour back to the house, and then we'll call it a day. What a crappy day it's been. Anyway, here we go. So I'll give you a close-up or a closer-up view of the drum circle. Basically, everybody in a circle dancing, playing drums. there you go. There's the drum circle. What everybody's on the beach for. Well, that is a wrap on a Sunday that turned out nothing like I expected it to. Just one of those days. You ever have one of those days? Like I had one of those days. I didn't want to be around anybody. I didn't want to do anything. I just was checked out today. But I still did stuff. And now that's it. The end. It's like 10 o'clock at night. I still got to edit this video. I'm a glutton for punishment. We'll see you guys in the morning.